Welcome everyone. You want your iPhone 17 Pro Max to use the flash when you get notifications and stuff like that. So in order to do that, let's start by opening up settings. Then scroll down and select accessibility. Then you're going to scroll all the way down until you see audio and visual. And in this one, we're going to scroll to the very bottom and we'll see LED flash for alerts. Tap on this one and then you can turn that one on and you can customize the options here. Now real quick, YouTube do not promote my videos like they used to. So if you found this video useful, it really would mean the world to me if you hit the like button down below and just left a comment saying, hey, I found this video useful, thank you. If you have any questions, any concerns, leave them in the comment section. I'll try my best to get back to you. Have a nice rest of your day. Bye bye.